All right, how to make money as a music producer part 5. Check it out. Publishing. This is something that many music producers, especially new ones, leave on the table. They don't think this is important and they only consider the upfront cash that they're getting for the beat. So let's break it down. These are the royalties that you earn from the composition of the song, all right? This is also your writer share and your publishing share. I can go so many different ways into this thing, but just hear me out. Collect your performance royalties, collect your mechanical royalties, and never, by any means, never let any of these major label artists siphon percentages from your publishing just because, oh, without them, you wouldn't be able to make it in this thing. This is your retirement money. Don't screw this thing up, baby. Because if you do screw it up, people will steal it from you in the blink of an eye, and you just don't easily get the thing back. If you beat the house, you get more money, more power, and more respect. Collect those performance royalties, collect those mechanical royalties, and don't let any artist siphon any percentages from your publishing, because if you make music, you are supposed to make money. That's why you're following me for more business tips.